Deep dive. This time we're taking a look at BotifyAI. It's caught my attention lately. Really seems like a tool with some serious potential, especially for businesses, the kind who are looking to streamline their marketing efforts. We're going to be talking about AI chatbots and automation across multiple platforms. And the best part, all of this at a price point that won't break the bank.
Yeah, it really is pretty fascinating how BotifyAI is using that ChatGPT technology to create such a powerful marketing tool. The real standout feature to me is its ability to, simplify tasks that businesses often find super complex and time-consuming.
Absolutely. I'm seeing a lot of buzz around this drag and drop flow builder thing they've got for creating chatbots.
Yeah.
So can you break that down for me a little? What does that actually mean for someone who, isn't exactly a tech expert?
Sure. Imagine you're building a conversation flow, but instead of, writing lines of code, you're visually piecing it together like a puzzle. Yeah. That's the beauty of the flow builder in BotifyAI. You can create sophisticated chatbots for platforms like Facebook Messenger and Instagram DM without any coding experience whatsoever.
Wow. So even someone with, limited technical skills can create interactive chatbots for their business. That's impressive. But let's dive a little deeper into the automation side of things. What are some examples of how BotifyAI can automate these marketing tasks?
One of the key features is auto-comment replies. Think about how much time you spend responding to comments on your social media posts.
Oh, yeah, a lot. Too much sometimes.
Right. BotifyAI can actually handle that for you, engaging with your audience, even when you're not online.
Oh, wow. So it's like having a virtual assistant who's constantly monitoring and responding to comments. But does it just send like generic replies, or is there some level of personalization involved?
It definitely goes beyond the generic responses. You can set up BotifyAI to reply publicly or even send private messages to add that personal touch. You can tailor the responses based on specific keywords or phrases. This way, you can ensure your audience receives relevant and engaging interactions.
Oh, okay. That's a great way to keep the conversation flowing and make people feel heard. But I'm also seeing mentions of bulk messaging. What exactly does that mean, and how does it fit into the overall marketing strategy?
Okay, so let's say you want to send out a personalized discount code to all your loyal customers on their birthdays.
Right.
With BotifyAI's bulk messaging feature, you can automate that entire process. It can send personalized messages to a large group of people all at once, saving you so much time and effort.
That sounds incredibly efficient. And I understand BotifyAI doesn't stop at social media. It can also handle SMS and email campaigns.
Exactly. BotifyAI lets you create automated sequences for both SMS and email marketing. Imagine setting up a welcome sequence for new subscribers, or a series of emails promoting a new product launch, all running automatically in the background.
So it's like having this automated marketing assistant who's working around the clock. Wow, we've talked about chatbots, social media automation, and now email and SMS campaigns. Is there anything this tool can't do?
It really is all about bringing all your marketing channels together under one roof. And here's where it gets even more interesting. BotifyAI also lets you schedule and manage your social media posts across 7 different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress, and even Medium.
Wow, okay, that's a lot of platforms. But managing content across so many different channels, that could be a real nightmare. Does BotifyAI actually make that any easier?
Absolutely. It streamlines the entire process. You can schedule posts in advance, choose the right format for each platform, and even analyze performance, all from a single dashboard. It eliminates the need to jump between a bunch of different apps and tools, saving you tons of time and effort.
Incredible. It really sounds like BotifyAI could be a game changer for businesses who are struggling to manage their online presence effectively.
Yeah.
But, okay, what about the cost? A tool this powerful, it's got to come with a pretty hefty price tag.
Right. That's actually what makes BotifyAI so unique. It offers all these amazing features at an incredibly affordable price. We're talking about a solution that's accessible to businesses of all sizes.
Okay, now you've got my attention. What kind of pricing are we talking about here?
You can access all of BotifyAI's features for just $12. They've managed to pack in an incredible amount of value without making it inaccessible to smaller businesses or startups.
Wait, $12? For all that functionality, that's really impressive. I'm starting to see why you're so excited about this platform. It's not just about the features, but also the accessibility it offers to businesses of all shapes and sizes.
Exactly. It really levels the playing field, giving businesses the tools they need to compete in today's digital landscape, regardless of their budget. And what's especially exciting is how it simplifies these complex tasks, making marketing automation accessible to everyone.
Yeah.
It really changes the way businesses can approach their whole marketing strategy. Instead of being overwhelmed by, the sheer volume of tasks, they can focus on strategy and creativity while Botify AI handles the day-to-day execution.
Yeah, it's like having a whole team of marketing specialists working behind the scenes,
Yeah.
all powered by AI. But let's be realistic for a sec. Every tool has its limitations, right? What are some things that Botify AI might not be the best solution for?
That's a great question. While Botify AI is incredibly versatile, it's important to remember that it's a tool designed to, enhance your marketing efforts, not replace human interaction entirely.
Oh.
For businesses that rely heavily on personalized one-on-one consultations or complex customer service inquiries that require, nuanced human judgment, Botify AI might need to be supplemented with some human intervention.
Okay, so it's about finding the right balance between automation and the human touch. Using Botify AI to handle the repetitive tasks while freeing up your team to focus on, those high-value interactions that require a more personal touch.
Precisely. Working smarter, not harder. Botify AI takes care of the time-consuming tasks, giving you the freedom to focus on building relationships, crafting compelling content, and developing those innovative marketing strategies.
This has been a fascinating deep dive so far. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding how Botify AI simplifies chatbot creation to exploring its potential for automating various marketing tasks across multiple platforms. But I want to shift gears a bit and talk about a feature that really caught my eye: the e-commerce integration. Can you tell me more about how that works?
This is where Botify AI really shines in terms of streamlining the customer journey. Imagine this. A potential customer interacts with your chatbot on Facebook Messenger or Instagram DM, expressing interest in a specific product.
Okay.
With Botify AI's e-commerce integration, they can browse your products, add items to their cart, and even complete the checkout process all within the chat window.
Hold on, so they never even have to leave the platform they're already comfortable with? That's got to be a game changer in terms of reducing friction in the buying process. Does it integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce?
Absolutely. Botify AI seamlessly integrates with leading e-commerce platforms, making it super easy to connect your existing online store and start selling directly through chat. It's all about, meeting your customers where they are and providing them with a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience.
It sounds like this feature alone could revolutionize the way businesses approach online sales. No more redirecting customers to external websites or dealing with complicated checkout processes. Everything happens within the familiar environment of, their favorite messaging platform.
And that convenience often translates into higher conversion rates. By making the purchase process as easy and intuitive as possible, you're reducing the chances of cart abandonment and increasing the likelihood of turning, potential customers into loyal buyers.
I'm so impressed with the breadth of Botify AI's capabilities. We've talked about chatbots, social media management, SMS and email marketing, and now e-commerce integration, all for an incredibly affordable price. What stands out to you the most about this platform?
What fascinates me is how Botify AI empowers businesses of all sizes to leverage the power of AI and automation without needing, extensive technical expertise or a massive budget. It's a tool that can truly level the playing field, allowing even small businesses to compete with larger companies in the digital marketing arena.
I completely agree. It's truly remarkable how Botify AI has managed to pack in such a comprehensive suite of features at a price point that's accessible to virtually everyone. It's a game changer in terms of democratizing access to sophisticated marketing technology. But before we wrap up, I want to bring it back to our listener and offer some practical advice. If you're out there and you're feeling a little overwhelmed by, the demands of modern marketing, trying to juggle multiple platforms and keep up with this, this ever-changing landscape, I really encourage you to check out Botify AI. It could be the key to, reclaiming your time, streamlining your efforts, and achieving your marketing goals. And you can do all that without breaking the bank.
It really is a powerful tool with the potential to transform the way businesses approach their marketing. What I find most exciting is its ability to empower businesses to focus on what really matters, building those relationships, creating engaging content, and connecting with their audience on a much deeper level.
It's about working smarter, not harder, right? And Botify AI really seems to embody that philosophy. It's not about replacing human creativity or strategic thinking. It's about, augmenting those efforts with intelligent automation that handles those repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the things that require that uniquely human touch.
And that's where the magic happens. When businesses can combine the efficiency of AI with the ingenuity of human creativity. Botify AI provides the foundation, the tools to streamline and automate. But ultimately, it's up to the businesses to leverage those tools in innovative and impactful ways.
This has been a really insightful deep dive into the world of Botify AI. We've explored its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, its powerful automation features, its multi-platform reach, and its incredibly affordable price. But the real question is, how can our listener take this information and apply it to their own business?
I think